let's drive. We have a little bit of smoke. Try to go on the green light. We have a little bit of brakes. We have broken suspension. We have a green light. And let's do it. Heating is working. Heating really strong, in fact. Like I said, we are a little bit smoking, so need not to attract as many attention as we want. Whoa, the morning is burning. Hope you see on camera. So far we're going. I don't know if he will stop. Yeah, he's stopping. It's enough. I added the brake fluid and it's enough. So yeah, enough for a little bit brakes. Let's try rev it a little bit and leave the throttle. So it's kind of running on its own, but I don't know. Some interesting sounds from rear. Maybe that's because I left the fuel pump cover open. Oh man, that wasn't likely for a broken spring. So really, I don't know. Oh, this is like the valve spring. Damn, the temperature is really. So everything started to work. Braking hard, good. Handbrake. Let's try maybe. Here, still a little bit of smoke, and I'm not sure what to do. Really, it's not that. Yep, neutral, and I stalled it. Let's try to park here for now. And we again have stall. And again stall. Really easy to stall. That's the sky. I have been talking to you. Very nice. I decided to drive to a washing station to just rinse the engine because I spilled out the braking fluid on it. So not to make much damage. Not to make much damage. I'll try to go there. Heating is on. A second. We have some traffic here, so we have to be careful not to drive fast. So we go to neutral and braking with installed. We don't have that luxuriness of stalling it because our battery gonna die again, so we have to be on the revs while in neutral. I forgot it just. So the gearbox seems to work fine. It shifts smoothly. No something hard is going on. So again, and revving. Do not stall it. Yeah, the experience of driving this is like driving real shitbox, but yeah, that's the way it is. After you hit the revs, it drives. So yeah, we missed the corner. We didn't need to go here. But now we have to figure out how to enter the wash zone. The interior is really nice to be here. Calm, spacious. I like it. Do drive like wherever. And now I don't see any smoke, so maybe the engine warmed up. So we are very close to washing zone, and we're gonna wash our car. Not our car, we were gonna wash it later. Now I'm just gonna install the engine again. And yeah, wash the under hood. So yeah, it washed it quite nicely. So hope this was all covered in brake fluid. So hope it helps to protect wiring and everything from brake fluid damage. And also it washed out really nice. So I'm hyped to see all cars washed, but that's for next time, daytime. We are back in a car wash. I got some engine degreaser, electric protector for wire looms, some brushes, strange looking sponge. We will check it how it works, and firstly I think we will start with engine. Try to I will remove the battery, try to spray all connectors with that electric protection and pray for best. Of course, try to keep it tidy, and yeah, we'll try to make it look a little bit better here. And after all that, of course, the exterior gonna get first wash after 5 years. Not so bad, but see like these molds everywhere. So yeah, overall it's not really dirty.
Горить не плавився, да?
Так.
Горить не плавився. Чекаємо ще механіни з дурки, щоб повихали.
Ну, типа не отменялось?
Нас не помер, не появится шанс голову.
have done the wash, and as you see, it came out really nice. Of course, there's a lot of dirt that's still coming off the body, because 5 years does some things. So yeah, but overall I think everything's okay. Worst spot is this. I didn't mention this wasn't when I bought the car, so somebody somehow made this shit now, and this door is this door is mainly shot because we have a scratch here. This one I'm not sure. It doesn't have molding or trim, and it has rust underneath. The only one door, I think. Oh, the front one also starting, but yeah. So these doors are pretty beat up. Maybe this will also clean up. I don't know. This was like that, but cleaned up. So yeah, the sunroof also has a lot of debris still in here. We will see how it opens. So yep, wheels. We have to. I think I will do black centers for winter, and in spring I will refurbish the wheels. But they are not looking that bad as it seems to look before. Let's check if all wheels look good. This one is not so beautiful, and this one, so the right side is okay. So again, that rust on the bonnet too, on this fender. Something is going on here. Somewhat is scratched here, and it transfers to here and in the corners of trunk. This was getting bigger, so yeah, but overall car looks pretty nice. Next is interior, and then we could fix it more.